how to install CapCut in iOS or on iPhone. So if you want to install or get or download the CapCut application for your iPhone, it's very simple. First of all, you simply want to make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or an internet connection. Once you make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi, what you want to do is now simply launch your App Store. Now once you launch your App Store, you will see the search bar over here. So you can tap on the search bar at the very top of the screen. Then from here, what you want to do is simply go ahead and then search for CapCut Video Editor. Now once you search for CapCut Video Editor, you should be able to see a couple of applications. Now if for some reasons the CapCut application is not showing up over here, then it could be that there is some type of regional restrictions within your account, because currently, because of TikTok and controversy in the US, it might not be available for US users. So in that case, a simple fix is that you open up settings, tap on your Apple ID profile, then simply go to media and purchases, where you can go to view account and simply change the Apple ID region of your account. Then after you do that, then you should be able to come to your App Store, and from there, when you change a country after this, then come back to App Store and search for the CapCut application, and then you should be able to go ahead and then basically install it on your iPhone as well. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.